Hey, hello guys, welcome to the channel Medical Pyrexia. So, our topic is femoral triangle. Now, what is femoral triangle? Triangular depression on the front of the upper one third of thigh below the inguinal canal. ठीक है. Now it's about its boundaries. The lateral boundary is made up by the medial border of sartorius. The medial boundary is made up by the medial border of the adductor longus, and the base is formed by the inguinal ligament, which is arises from the ASIS, that is anterior superior iliac spine, and terminate to the pubic tubercle. Now its base is formed by the downward of sartorius and the adductor longus boundaries. This diagram is understand by the topics which we are studied further. So next about its the content of femoral triangle. So the femoral arteries and its branches, femoral vein and its tributaries, femoral sheath and nerves. Nerves are as following: femoral nerve, nerve to pectineus, nerve branch of genitofemoral nerve, lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, and the deep inguinal lymph node, which is also called as Cloughet or Rosen-Miller. Okay, so we can see from the diagram of content of femoral triangle. So most laterally there is a femoral nerve, medial to femoral nerve there is a femoral artery, and medial to it there is a femoral vein. So from medial to lateral it's made at V femoral vein, A femoral artery, and N femoral nerve. So we can learn it from vein. Okay. Now about femoral sheath, it is enclosed upper to 3 to 4 centimeter of the femoral vessels, and its anterior wall is formed by the fascia transversalis and its posterior wall is formed by the fascia iliaca. It is asymmetrical in nature, and its lateral wall is vertical and its medial wall is oblique. So that sheet is divided into 3 compartments, and this is divided by the septa. Okay, so the lateral compartment is also called as arterial compartment, and it contains a femoral artery and also contain a nerve, that is we called a genitofemoral nerve. Okay, its intermediate, which we also call as venous compartment, carries a femoral vein, and another one is medial compartment, also known as lymphatic compartments, and we also can say this a femoral canal, and this is important MCQ is coming from this. Okay, now the femoral canal, it is a medial compartment of femoral sheath, and it is 1.5 centimeter long, 1.5 centimeter wide at the base. Okay, now the femoral ring. Femoral ring is the part of femoral canal, means upper end of the femoral canal is made the femoral ring. About its boundaries, anteriorly it is formed by the inguinal ligament, posteriorly it is formed by the pectineus and its covering fascia, and medially it is made up of lucinar ligaments and laterally septa separating it from the femoral vein. Now we can see its diagram, that is this is a fascia transversalis, okay, and this is a great sphenic vein which arrange with the femoral vein. This is a femoral ring, and this green part, whole green part cover the femoral artery and femoral vein is called femoral sheath, and this we can see here is lymph node present, is also known as femoral canal or a lymphatic compartment. Now we can see its clinical anatomy, which is most important. So femoral hernia, which means when the femoral canal in which a in lymphatic node is present, ठीक है. So femoral canal is an area of an potential weakness in the abdominal wall, and through which the abdominal content may bulge out, forming a femoral hernia. Means this is a femoral ligament from which femoral canal is a area which is potentially weak, and its content, means the abdominal content, it comes out from it, and this is we called as femoral hernia. Okay. Now the enlarging hernial shape. Firstly, it's downward through femoral canal, then forward through saphenous vein, and then finally upward along with superficial epigastric and the superficial circumflex iliac vessels. So if we reduce the enlarging of hernial shape, so we reverse the course, means this course we have to be reversed. Okay. Now next its applied anatomy is strangulation of femoral ring. Means when surgeon enlarge femoral ring, so this is done by cutting off Leukenar ligament, but below it obturator artery is present. So if we cut obturator artery, then hemorrhage alarming is caused. Hemorrhage means that bleeding has been occur abundantly. Okay. Now injury to femoral nerve. If femoral nerve is injured, then we lose a sensory loss, and it is anterior aspect of thigh, front of leg, and middle compartment of body. That means these senses has been lost when the femoral nerve get injured. Next is meraglia parasthetica. Okay. So when the lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh may get entangled in the inguinal ligament, leads to the lateral side of thigh, and then leads to lateral side of thigh, causes pain. So this is all about the femoral triangle, and this is an important topic as per the profs. Hope you all understand. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you.